Once logged into the portal, a subscriber will find several helpful tools for managing their account. The portal allows them to make a payment, set up autopay, view invoices, open a trouble ticket, update contact information, and review payment history. The portal may also be configured to let leads schedule an installation or allow current subscribers to make changes or add services to their account. One of the most common actions subscribers take in the portal is making a payment. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first is by using the floating action button and selecting the card icon labeled "To make a payment." This directs the subscriber to choose a payment type, typically a credit card or ACH. After entering the payment details, two sliders appear, one to save the payment method and another to enable automatic recurring payments. If a subscriber has a balance due, the home page will display a Pay Bill button that opens a quick payment screen. To update autopay, whether that means changing the payment method entirely or just updating the current one with new information, the subscriber will click Create Autopay. This will direct them to a page where they can select a payment type, such as a credit card or ACH. After entering their payment method, the subscriber can set how long the recurring payment should continue by selecting a start date, how often the payment repeats, and the exact day it should be processed each cycle. Another way to add recurring payments is through the main menu by selecting Recurring Payments. This page allows subscribers to enter payment information to set up new recurring payments. Viewing invoices and payment receipts is done through the main menu. The subscriber can see a list of past invoices and open a PDF version to download or print. A full payment history and PDF receipts are also available from the same menu. To add or update contact information, the subscriber can go to the main menu and select the Contacts tab. From there, they can use the floating action button to add a new phone number or email address to the account. After submitting new contact information, the subscriber can return to the contact page to update existing details by clicking on a phone number or email and entering the new information. For new subscribers without active service, the portal offers a simple and convenient way to schedule their installation online. This is especially helpful if they didn't choose a time during sign-up or would rather schedule later on their own time after regular business hours. When the subscriber logs into the portal, a pop-up will appear letting them know an installation is ready to be scheduled. They can then choose the date and time that works best to have their equipment installed and their service started. If the pop-up is closed before scheduling, the subscriber can also use the plus button and select the calendar icon labeled Go to Scheduling. This will take them to a calendar showing available dates and times for a technician to install equipment and activate their service. If a subscriber wants to add or change their current services, there are two ways to do this through the portal. The first is by clicking the Floating Action Plus button and selecting the shopping cart icon labeled Go to Shopping Cart. This will take the subscriber to the available offers. To change an existing package, they'll select Change a Package, where they can choose from service options available at their location. After confirming the new package, a smart workflow begins to start the change process. If a subscriber wants to add a service to their account, they can select View Offers to browse available options. Then, just like changing services, they'll select the new service and complete the checkout process. This will trigger a workflow to begin the steps and alerts needed to add the service order to their account. If a subscriber is having an issue with their service, they can open a ticket to notify the company. Once submitted through the portal, the system will alert a representative or the subscriber to begin troubleshooting the issue. Notes in a ticket can be made public to keep the subscriber informed, either with updates during troubleshooting or to explain the final fix. Has a password been compromised? One simple self-service option in the portal is to quickly change the password. The subscriber can click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, select User Settings, and follow the prompts to create a new secure password. After updating it, the subscriber will need to use the new password the next time they log into the portal. The subscriber portal is designed to make everyday tasks easier, like checking invoices, making payments, scheduling events, and updating services, all from one simple interface.